Oh man, I am gonna crash out. All right, I'm gonna crash out. You guys can probably see what I'm looking at right now. Stop that break even, and then immediately goes to my take profit. Bad trade? No. Bad market? Yes. Good trade? Yes. Good fucking. I knew where price was gonna go. My bias was correct. Everything else was good. Only thing that was not was what's it called? Yeah, just this. I got stopped at break even, which is absolutely insane. Oh man, it hurts. It hurts to watch. Anyways, we'll make this quick a little bit. Coming into market open, we have a bullish bias from the daily, and then because we inversed all of this stuff, and then on the 4 hour we have this and these targets up here. On the 1 hour we also have these targets up here, and then just those lows. Honestly, I was just looking for a continuation, break of structure of a 5 minute, and then continue to go higher, which is exactly what happened. But the reason why I didn't long was because of the news. I could have longed earlier, but I didn't because of news. Like I said, we have an SMT down here at these lows. What was it right here? SMT was at these lows down here. As you can see here, this one actually took this level and then this one didn't. So we had a lot of bullish potential. And yeah, coming into market open, we then got a change instead of delivery on the 5 minute. So then I was looking for a reversal into a fair value gap to then long. This is what fucked me up. All right, like if we go into trading view, you can see here that the price. Here, let me show you the price. You can see. Look at this candle, right? Look at this candle right here. This candle right here. News hits, right? And it just ends up bullish, okay? So what happens here? It goes straight down. So it inverses the fair value gap, but it didn't do it on trading view. So I don't know what to do anymore. I don't know what to do. Good thing about Top Step is that I can actually like copy trade, but the bad thing is that it doesn't give me the actual market that trading view does. Anyways, this happened. So my long was gonna be right here. That was gonna be my long. Stops down here, and then take profit up on what level was this? 20. Okay, 348. 2348. 2348, which was hit right here. This is my right. So look, price would have hit take profit. Oh man, I am gonna crash out. But yeah, honestly, I should have realized that it was like I didn't even look at trading view. To be honest, I should honestly just do trading view for charting purposes and then just Top Step for actually executing. But yeah, you can see here that price inverse here. So then I was like, okay, I'm not trading that. So then we go into the S&P. We also get a 5 minute break of structure here. So then we look for a pullback in the 1 minute. And we do get a pullback on that same move, but right here, right? So I enter off of this candle right here. Put my stops below here on this fair value gap. Same trade basically, same trade. And then, yeah. But what happened was that I put my stops to break even. And what happened? Stopped me out, wicked out. Look at this. This is painful. This is painful to watch. I would have gotten take profit, $700 for the day, but no, we only ended up with $6 for the day, which is absolutely insane. Yeah, tomorrow I'm learning from my mistakes now. So I'm going to be charting on TradingView because it's cleaner and actually gives you real price data. And also here, I wouldn't have been stopped out at break even unless actually, yeah, no, I would have gotten stopped out at break even. But yeah, man, like Nasdaq was the trade that I was going to take and that I wanted to take, but it just didn't play out. Because why? Because fucking Top Step fucked me up for real. So right after news, I could have hit this trade right here. This trade right here. And honestly, I could have just gone for a 2RR right there or even here. Yeah. I'm going to count this as a winning day because my idea was right and my bias was right and everything was correct except just Top Step. So tomorrow, Look, let me show you guys what would have happened if I actually took this trade. So what is that? 943. What's the 945 candle? This one. So I would have gotten in right there. Stops right there, and then take profit up here. This is what would have happened. Buy right there. Stop loss down here. Obviously, I wasn't trading with one contract, but this is what would have happened. Boom, boom. I would have had my stops to break even at this point. Boom, 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 boom. I had TP1 somewhere around here. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, I would have stopped out here too. Oh, just wicked out. Look at that, man. Boom, 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 boom. There you go. Yeah. I don't know, man. I don't know. That's sad. That's honestly sad. So sad. What I could have done differently is put my stops right down here, which is where I was gonna put it actually. Oh, not that. My stops like right about there. Oh, man, that's sad. That is honestly sad. But it is what it is. We still haven't passed the funded. We're still at the same amount, 592. Yeah. Tomorrow we are going to have news at 10. Should be able to trade before that, and then my parents get here on Wednesday, and then from there I'll see if I can trade on my phone. Obviously, I'm going to be using TradingView to chart and Top Step to execute, because Top Step is just too bad to be honest. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do, and yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow if I do take a trade. Today was a good day. I'm not gonna lie, it was a good day, but I'll see you guys tomorrow. So see ya.